Hi all, Gridworks here again. This is a video that we took today when we were up Kaim Hill, which is near Fairlie in North Ayrshire. This part of the hill is a quarry, and the reason we're up here today is because much of the stone contains white quartz crystal. Now, at this point in time, what I'm doing is, you can see I've got a dowsing rod and I've just picked up a crystal. I was led up here by my intuition, and it seemed that there was particular crystals that I had to pick up. So once I got up here, I got the dowsing rod out because my intuition isn't pinpoint good enough. So I needed the dowsing rod to help me pinpoint exactly which stone to pick up. So the one I just picked up, I got to this general area, got my dowsing rod out, and it took me exactly to where I needed to go. Just pointing out a few. It's not Tarbert Hill, it's Drum Milling Hill or Cemetery Hill. Just pointing out a few local landmarks. That's Goldenberry Hill there, Drum Milling Hill or Cemetery Hill in West Kilbride there. This is the island of Arran over here. That's Little Cumbray. This is Cumbray, and that's Millport, you can see right there. Anyway, what I'm doing right now is, you can't see my dowsing rod because of the angle of the GoPro, but I've actually got the dowsing rod out and I'm looking for a second stone which I've been told I need to find. A second crystal. This place is literally, I mean, you can see that stone in front of me. All the white parts are crystals. This is the reservoir on Fairlie Moors. Down here you can see Hunterston. So the dowsing rod's taking me over these rocks at the moment. Support of Hunterston Power Station right here, all of this land. And that's Largs and Fairlie Marinas over there. As you can see, North Ayrshire is very beautiful. We're very lucky. It's quite windy up here, but it was worth coming up here today. By the way, the date's wrong on this. It's actually the 6th of September today. So that's the second crystal. I've just picked it up.
Are these the crystals I'm supposed to have found today? Yes. Are there any other crystals I need to find today? No.
So I was using the dowsing rod there to confirm that I have correctly picked up the right crystals and that there were two of them I was supposed to find. That was another crystal that was embedded in rock. Lovely crystal, but it's in a huge piece of rock. So this quarry is extremely large. There are a number of uses for the stone that was quarried. One of them was to make millstones. And we're just going to come across a millstone in a minute. So you can see it's been left in situ. This is the millstone right here. It's in 4 pieces, with the central hole. Again, sorry for the angle of the camera, but you can see most of it there. There are other stones here which are 1/4 of a millstone also, like this one right here. So this was used for probably grinding flour or other grains Obviously this stone with the crystal in it would be extremely hard. So, just wanted to share, firstly, a beautiful place with a high abundance of extremely high quality crystal. The crystals are very, very glittery. We haven't seen anything quite like it before. And I had no expectation coming up here. Wasn't expecting to pick up any intuitions at all, but as soon as we got to the quarry, I was led right to the top of this hill and had to go and pick out two, particularly pointing out tool marks on the rock there. Yeah, so I was led to pick up those two crystals, which we'll see what I'm supposed to do with them later. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks very much. Bye now.